Hi, Claudia here. I just want to do a flip through to a wedding album that I made with the interactive box from Graphic 45. I really didn't use the inside, but I used the box. So here we go. This is my beautiful granddaughter. And so now this one has a flip. The concept is a little bit not practical. The way that they organize it, but you know, if you push a little bit, you will be able to see the whole album. And so here we are. That's my son and my granddaughter, and here she is. So that's it. It's very short. I just wanted to share. This is a die cut that I cut like 4 times, and I did the layers, so I don't know if you can see it, but it has some dimension. And this one is just to open it. And I did the same with Miss and Mrs. So it's more than one, and it gives some dimension to the letters. So I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, have a great day. Bye.